myself, Professor Durgesh Kumar Kotangal. Today topic is MSc second semester Computer Science, paper second, Principle of Compiler Design, Unit 5, Code Optimization. Principle of Compiler Design. Introduction. Compiler is a software which converts a program written in a high level language, means source language, to low level language, means object target machine language. Here the show diagram, compiler high level language and low level language and compilation error. Cross compiler that run on a machine A and produce a code for another machine B. It is capable of creating code for a platform other than the one on which the compiler is running. Source to source compiler or transcompiler or transpiler is a compiler that translates source code written in one programming language into source code of another programming language. Language processing system using compiler. We know a computer is a logical assembly of software and hardware. The hardware known as a language that is hard for us to grasp. Consequently, we tend to write program in high level language that is much less complicated for us to comprehend and machine in throughs. Now this program go through a series of transformation so that the can readily be used machine. This is where language procedure system come handy. So the diagram in high level language to assembly machine code in middle between the preprocessor, compiler, assembler and loader and linker. Preprocessor and compiler in middle the pure high level language, compiler and assembler in middle the assembly language, assembler and loader in middle the use relocated machine code. High level language. If a program contain define or include directives such as include or define is a called high level language, HLL. They are closer to human but for from machine. This tag are called preprocessor directives. They direct the preprocessor about what to do. The preprocessor remove all the include directive by including the files called file inclusion and all the define directive using macro expression. It perform live file inclusion, arguments, macro processing, etc. Assembly language, it either in binary form nor high level. It is an intermediate state that is a combination of machine instruction and some other useful data needed for execution. Assembler, for every platform, hardware plus operating system, we will have a assembler. They are not universal things. For each platform, we have one. The output of assembler is called object file. It translates assembly language to machine code. Interpreter, an interpreter converts the high level language into low level machine language, just like a compiler, but they are different in the way they read the input. The compiler in one go reads the input, does the processing and executes the source code, whereas the interpreter does the same line by line. Compiler scans the entire program and translates it as a whole into machine code, whereas an interpreter translates the program one statement at a time. Interpreted programs are usually slower with respect to compiled ones. Relocated machine code. It can be loaded at any point and can be run. The address within the program will be in such a way that it will cooperate for the program movement. Loader linker It converts the relocated code into absolute code at tiers to run the program, resulting in a running program or an error message. Sometimes both can happen. Linker load a variety of object files into a single file to make it executable. Then loader load it in memory and executes it. Phases of a compiler. We basically have two phases of compiler, namely analysis phases and synthesis phases. Analysis phases create an intermediate representation from the given source code. Synthesis phases created an equivalent target program from the intermediate representation. So the diagram and feature high level language and assembly level language. Here one side symbolic table and second side error handling. In the whole picture, in lexical analysis, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, target code generator. Symbolic table. It is a data structure being used and maintained by the compiler, consists all the identifiers name along with their types. It helps the compiler to function smoothly by finding the identifiers quickly. The compiler has two modules, namely front end and back end. Front end constitutes of the lexical analyzer, semantic analyzer, syntax analyzer, and intermediate code generator, and the rest are assembled to form the back end. Under the symbolic table, in explain one by one. First, lexical analyzer. It is also called scanner. It takes the output of preprocessor, which perform file inclusion and macro expression as the input, which is in pure high level language. It reads the character from source program and groups then into lexems, sequence a character that go together. Each lexems corresponds to a taken. Taken are defined by regular expression which are understood by the lexical analyzer. It also removes lexical errors for erroneous characters, comments and white space. Second, syntax analyzer. It's sometimes called as parsers. It constructs the parse tree. It takes all the token one by one and use context-free grammar to construct the parse tree. Why grammar? The rules of programming can be entirely represented in some few production. Using this production, we can represent what is the program actually is. The input has to be checked whether it is in the desired format or not. Syntax error can be detected at this level if the input is not in accordance with the grammar. Here, so the picture is parser tree and semantic verified parse tree and semantic analyzer. Semantic analyzer, it verifies the parse tree whether it's meaningful or not. It furthermore produce a verified parse tree. It also does type checking, label checking and flow control checking. Intermediate code generator. It generator intermediate code that is from which can be readily executed by machine. We have many popular intermediate code. Example, 3 address code, etc. Intermediate code is converted to machine language using the last two phases. We are platform dependent. Till intermediate code, it is same for every compiler out there, but after that it depends on the platform. To build a new compiler, we don't need to build it from scratch. We can take the intermediate code from the already existing compiler and build the last two parts. Code optimizer. It transforms the code so that it consumes fewer resources and produce more speed. The meaning of the code being transformed is not altered. Optimization can be categorized into two types: machine dependent and machine independent. Target code generator. The main purpose of target code generator is to write a code that the machine can understand and also register allocation, instruction selection, etc. The output is dependent on the type of assembler. This is the final stage of compilation. Code optimization in compiler design. The code optimization, the synthesis phases is a program transformation techniques which tries to improve the intermediate code by making it consume fewer resources, CPU and memory, so that faster running machine code will result. Compiler optimization process should meet the following objectives. The optimization must be correct. It must not in any way change the meaning of the program. Optimization should increase the speed and performance of the program. The compilation time must be kept reasonable. The optimization process should not delay the overall compiling process. When to optimization? Optimization of the code is often performed at the end of the development stage, since it reduces readability and adds code that is used to increase the platforms. Type of code optimization. The optimization process can be broadly classified into two types: machine independent optimization. This code optimization phases attempt to improve the intermediate code to get a better target code as the output. The part of the intermediate code which is transformed here does not involve any CPU register or absolute memory location. Machine dependent optimization. Machine dependent optimization is done after the target code has been generated and when the code is transformed according to the target machine architecture. It involves CPU register and many have absolute memory reference rather than relative reference. Machine dependent optimization put efforts to take maximum advantage of the memory hierarchical. Code optimization is done in the following different way. First, compiler time evaluation. In here the so is calculation in mathematical parts. Second, variable propagation. Third, did code elimination. And fourth, code motion. Fifth, induction variable and state reduction. Strength reduction means replacing the high strength of operator by the low strength. Type of three address code. It is a sequence of statement of the general form A equal to B OPC, where A, B, C are either programmer defined name constants or compiler generated temporary name. OP stands for an operation which is applied on A and B. In simple word, a code having a most three address in a line is called the three address code. Example, A plus B into A plus B plus C. The three address code for above expression is T1 equal to A plus B, T2 equal to T1 plus C, and T3 equal to T1 into T2. In compiler design, the most popular intermediate code representation is the three address code. It is globally accepted and is most widely used. There are a lot of three address statements. All the complex three address statements are generally a combination of simpler three address statements. These statements comes under following 7 targets categories and can be called a building block for three address statement. In this table, show the 7 3 address code statement. Now by using the above statement is you convert some popular high level construction in 3 address code. While statement, for statement, switch statement, and thus we can see by using the 7 statement we can replicate statement from higher level language into 3 address code. To be continue in second